will do some practice exercises. Please, those who want to do the exercises, please raise your hand. Sharva Rohita,
Yes, sir.
you have to read and read the sentence and read the meaning also. Hmm.
Saha Samskrite Uttaram Vadati. He tells the answer in Sanskrit.
Hmm.
Shukaha Jananam Vakyam Anuvadati. The parrot repeats the sentences of people. Chhatraha Mam Prativadati. The student replies me. Dushtaha Parasparam Vivadate. The bad people quarrel. Sa Sarvatra Mam Appavadati. He scolds me everywhere. Tasya Vani Karyat Visamvadati. His words are not in harmony with the work.
Uttamam. Can you identify the upasargas in these sentences?
Sir, in second sentence, Anu, and in third sentence, Prati.
Very good.
Fourth sentence, Vi.
Hmm.
Fifth, Appa.
Hmm.
Sixth, Visam.
Okay. Uttamam. Now, in this case, now there is a Vishesha Karya because of the addition of Vi Dhatu to Vad Dhatu. It has become Atmanepadi. In Anuvadati, it probably is following the meaning, but in a different way. It enhanced effect. Apavadati is a special meaning, scolding. It is also telling only, but it is scolding. So different ways the meaning has been affected for the Vadadhatu. Vadadhatu is to tell. Now, the addition of upasargas is creating different meanings, different, it is giving the dhatu different boundaries. Like dhatu has got one meaning, many meanings, one or two meanings, three meanings, etc. But with the possibility of upasargas, 22 upasargas being there, which may get added to the dhatu, the enhanced meanings can be possible in different contexts. Dhanyavadaha, Savarohita. Sarayu Kannan. Sarayu Kannan.
नमस्ते महोदय.
Ah,
इदं तत्र नयति. Carry this there. Tat atra anaya. Bring this here. A is the upasarga.
is the opposite.
Manche samyak abhinaya. Enact properly on the stage. Abhi is the upasarga. Saha adya tam parinayati. He marries her now. Pari is the upasarga.
Uttamam.
Nrityah swaminam anunayati. Servant follows the master. Anu is the upasarga. Putrah kulam unnayati. The son uplifts the family. Unna is the upasarga.
Unna is not the opposite.
Sorry.
Ud is the opposite.
Ut is the opposite. Sa eva nirnayati. He only decides. Nir
Is the
Nir is the upasarga.
yes, nir is the opposite.
Dhanyavad.
Now you see ni dhatu, to carry or to take away. Anayati is a completely opposite meaning. So addition of a upasarga is giving an opposite meaning in this case also, just like in gam. Whereas abhi, pari, anu, unnayati, nirnayati. You see, these are all completely different enhanced meanings or different meanings. It may not be opposite meaning, but it is different meanings which is there. So the point which we have to notice, we can only decide the meaning of the upasarga and the dhatu based on the context and the sentence. Once you add the upasarga to the dhatu and understand the context, then you can probably tell the meaning. guess the meaning. Srinivasan Iyer.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Saha tatraiva tishtati. He stands there only.
Uttamam.
Asanat uttishtati. He gets up from the asana. So ut will be the
Upasarga.
upasarga. Saha mama agnyam anutishtati. He implements my orders. Anu is the upasarga. Tvam ashramam aditishthate. You stay in the ashrama. Adhi is the upasarga.
Now, Adhi with the Sthadatu has resulted in a special karya. Tishtati is a Parasmaipadi Dhatu. Suddenly it has become Tishtate, Atmanepadi Dhatu. Not only the meaning is stand and stay is there, but Aditishtate, it has become Aditishtate. So the third quirk of the Upasarga is occurring here.
I didn't get you. You need to tell me that again.
There are three karyas of Upasargas. The first karya is it
Changes.
changes
One
the
is
meaning.
follows
The meaning. The third one is it creates a special context with the dhatu. So either it changes the properties or attributes of the dhatu itself. Now the dhatu originally stha dhatu is only tishtati, parasmai pada dhatu. Tishtati, tishtata, tishtanti. That is these are the only forms available. Now Atmanepadi form was not available for stha dhatu as per the grammar rules.
Okay.
But by the addition of Adhi Upasarga, Parasmai Pada Dhatu became an Atmane Pada Dhatu because of the addition of Adhi Upasarga through special rule. So Upasarga can change the property of a Dhatu, attribute of a Dhatu. In Adhitishtate, that is what has happened.
Okay. So the next one also similar. Aham masam avasthasye. So ava is the upasarga, and here also the property is getting changed.
Changed, and it is lit lakara. Only the lakara is different. There it is lat. This is thasye is lit. Property is getting changed.
I shall reside for a month.
It is future tense.
Bhavan kada pratisthate. When do you start or depart from here? Pra is the upasarga. Masad anantaram itaha prasthasye. After a month, I shall depart from here. Pra becomes a upasarga.
Now there will be a question. Sir, in Anutishtati, it doesn't become Atmanepada. In Adhitishtate, it becomes Atmanepada. So how there also an Upasarga is there. Now what has happened is Panini has given certain rules. Only with the addition of certain Upasargas, the Parasmaipadi becomes Atmanepadi. So with Anu Upasarga, it doesn't become Atmanepadi. Whereas with Adhi, Ava, Pra and all, it will become Atmanepadi. So this is the third karya of Upasarga, which we have to understand. Last sentence.
Sa Vidyalaye Upatisthate. So again the same way. He is present in the school.
And this Upatisthate and the meaning is also different. Slightly
present.
Different. Present. Stand, stay. Usually stha dhatu is stand, stay.
Stand.
Now, for example, Vishwamitra, when Trishanku is falling down from the Swarga, there is a story that Vishwamitra built a Swarga for Trishanku.
Yeah.
So when Trishanku is falling down from the Swarga, he says, Tatra Tishtha, Tishtha. So stay there. I will create a Swarga for you in between the earth and the actual heaven. So Tishtha can be stay or stand. You stay there, stand there.
Just two queries. So when we say Upasarga, the word Upasarga itself, Upa is a Upasarga, am I right?
Yes, Upasarga. The word, yes.
Yeah. This one. And the another thing, the first screen that you showed, where you showed the shloka where Pari that is also a upasarga. That we saw this word paraspara.
Parasparam.
Parasparam. So over there also that parasparam, paraha, param. So paraha is supposed to be upasarga there.
Para is not upasarga. Para is
No.
not there in that.
Pari is upasarga.
There are some avyayas which will behave like a upasarga, but which are not in the 22 list, in the list of upasarga.
Acha. Okay. 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 Dhanyavadaha.
Rohan Bharadwaj.
Ram, sir.
Ram.
Tatra pustakam vartate. There is the book. Prithvi Suryam Paritaha Avartate. The earth revolves around the sun.
Avartate. What is the upasarga there?
Sir, upasarga will become a.
Very good.
Janaha. Sir, upasarga means before words like prefixes something in English.
Prefix.
We will.
English you can talk it. Tell a prefix.
Yes, sir. Janaha swagruham nivartante. People return to their homes. Chakravat parivartante dukkhani cha sukhani cha. Sorrow and happiness alternates, change like a wheel.
Uttamam.
Pari is the upasarga. Acharyam anuvartante shishyaha. The disciplines follow the acharya. Anu is the upasarga.
Shishyaha, the Sishyas, disciples. Discipline, it is not discipline, Rohan. The Sishyas follow. The Sishyas follow the Acharya.
Disciples. Tatra bhashanam pravartate. There the speech goes on.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha, sir.
Now, I will ask one by one. We have here, it will be a mixed set of sentences where we have to fill the blank with upasarga and the dhatu. So the dhatu and upasarga will be given. The form has to be guessed. Soumya head, sir.
Ram, sir.
The first example is given already. Can you read that?
Yes. Balakaha shikshakam paripruchhati. So pari is the dhatu, prich dhatu. Pari is the upasarga, prich is the dhatu. Sajjanaha jananam. Kru means karoti, like that.
Karoti we have to use. Now upa is the upasarga which is suggested.
Upakurvanti.
Sajjanaha janan upakurvanti. Excellent. Upakurvanti. Because Sajjanaha is Bahuvachana, we have to use
Anti.
Kurvanti. Yes, very good. Dhanyavadaha. Now in Balakaha Sikshakam Paripruchhati, Pruchhati is to ask. Now boy asks the tutor or the teacher. Ask what? Ask question. Sikshakam Prashnam Paripruchhati. What is this Pari doing here? Now Pari Balakaha Sikshakam Paripruchhati. This Pari is enhancing the meaning that before the question was asked by the boy, probably it can mean that the boy tried himself to answer or try to search the answer himself. He couldn't find the answer. He referred many books. He asked many people. And then he also, with a very, very humble way, he asked that question. Pariprashnaha. Pariprashnaha. Pariprashnena sevaya. Upadekshanti te jnanam jnaninas tattvadarshinaha. Gita shloka is there. Like that, pariprashnaha. Pariprashna is happening in the case of this balaka. So the upasarga is giving some enhanced meaning here. Here the question was not asked in the way many people ask for the sake of asking questions or to show their intelligence. It was asked with extreme humility and extreme shishyatva. The qualities of a Shishya is described in Ramayana, and the qualities of a Guru is also described there. Similarly, so this Pari is giving that enhanced effect, is what I'm trying to say. Why I'm trying to tell this is the Upasargas have got a very, very big role to play in expanding the meanings of the dhatus. Next sentence. Dhanyavadas, Soumya Bhagini. Amrit Patel.
Ram sir.
बालाः उद्याने विहरन्ति.
Viharanti. Okay.
महोदय नमस्ते.
Ah.
कुमारः विदेशात् निर्गच्छति. Kumara returns from abroad.
Uttamam.
धन्यवाद.
Seema Joshi.
शरीरात् स्वेदः प्रभुवति.
Bhu dhatu will become what?
भवति. प्रभवति.
Prabhavati. Sharirat.
स्वेदः प्रभवति.
What is the meaning of Svedaha?
Sweat.
Sweat.
Sweating.
So meaning of the sentence?
In the body, sweating. Body is sweating.
Sharirat. Panchami Vibhakti. Svedaha Prabhavati. Prabhavati. The sweat arises from the body. The sweat originates from the body.
Okay.
Prabhavati. Prabhavati originates. Upasarga is pra. Bhavati. So bhavati is to be, whereas prabhavati is to originate. Ganga Himalayat Prabhavati. Like that. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Neil Shetty.
Ram sir.
Ram.
Devah bhaktam and anu plus grah.
Anugrahati.
Devah bhaktam anugrahati.
Anugrinhati.
Okay, anugrihnati.
So, anugraham karoti ityartha.
Does it mean like he took him under him?
No. Anugrinhati. Took him under him is anugrinhati is to bless. To bless. Took under him means something to. It is the enhanced meaning is anugrinhati is to bless.
Bless. Okay. So then the God blessed devotee.
Uttama.
Dhanyawad.
Next sentence. Sukanya.
Ram Mahodaya. Sevakah haram pravahati.
Pravahati. Bharam vahati. Bharam pravahati means he carries it properly. So
it just enhances the
the servant carries the weight, carries the bhara, the weight. So he carries it properly. He has to, if the weight has to be carried on the shoulder, it can be carried on the shoulder, it has to be carried on the head. Only an appropriate sevaka will know that. So pravahati is carries it appropriately, carries it carefully. These enhanced meanings can be possible.
One more doubt, Mahodaya. For tishtati, when adhi upasarga is added, it will change to atmanepadi, definitely. Does it change definitely to atmanepadi? When adhi is added to stha dhatu?
No, there is optional. There may be some optional rule also with respect to adhi, and there may be optional. Adi tishtati, adi tishtate.
Both are correct.
Both can be.
Astu.
Ram sir. Sir, sevakah bharam api dharati is correct. Api plus dha is added.
Adhyavahati. Which dhatu?
Sevakah bharam adharati.
Dharati.
Yeah, sir. Api plus dha.
Api plus dha. It doesn't seem to be appropriate. Dhanyavadaha. Next, we will keep the questions to the end of the class so that the flow is not disturbed for me. Otherwise, questions. Adur Balasubramaniam.
नमो नमः महोदय. जनाः देवं प्रणमन्ति.
Pranamanti. Very good. So here now, Ekanamsham Mahodaya. Here the nam becomes nam when upasarga is there. This is as per the Natva rules of Panini. So sometimes it becomes na. Dhanyavadaha. Usha Chandrasekharan.
Namaste Mahodaya. Sishyah Padam Anuvadati. The student
repeats
after the teacher.
Repeats the lesson.
Repeats the lesson. The student repeats the lesson.
Dhanyavadaha. Radhika Raghavan.
Sarpaha Valmikat Nissarati.
Nissarati. Sri dhatu is Sri gatau, to move, to move. Sarati. Sri becomes Sarati. Nis plus Sarati, Nissarati. Valmikat Nissarati. Uttamam. Valmika is the ant hill. The snake comes out of the ant hill. Dhanyavadaha. Prajna.
Varunaha Parvatam
Arohati. Varunaha Parvatam Arohati. Climbs. Ruhudhatu has got a general meaning of grow, whereas A plus Ruh will give the meaning as climb. So can you translate the sentence?
Varun climbs the hill.
Climbs the hill. Dhanyavadaha. Devika Ravi.
Ram Mahodaya. Saha asane upavishati.
Upavishati.
He sits on the chair.
Asana. Now, wish is to enter. Now, upavishati is to sit. Now, this is some carefully we have to understand. Next sentence. Dhanyavada Bhagini. Ramakrishna Rao.
Adhyapena gnanam prabodhayati.
Adhyayanena
gnanam pravruddhati.
Vridhatu is Atmanepadi is Vardhate.
Vardhate. Adhyayanena gnanam pravardhate.
Pravardhate. Very good.
So by reading again and again, knowledge improves.
Improves. Increases.
Increases. Okay.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.
Vijayalakshmi.
Namaste Mahoday. Shishyaka Adhyapakam Anuvatati. Shishyaka repeating the words. Repeating. Mahilaha Nadyaha Jalam Anayanti.
Anayanti. So what is the meaning?
From river, ladies brings water.
Nadyaha Jalam Anayanti.
From rivers, ladies brings water.
Very good. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.